Net weight filling, whether it's for liquids or for dry materials, is when you put your container on a scale and you fill into the container. Once you hit your weight, then the container is full. The great thing about net weight filling is you set a target weight and it fills to that target weight. In many applications, you're going to have a two-stage fill. You're going to fill fast for 80 to 90% of the vessel's capacity, and then when you hit the first target weight, the first set point, then you'll slow down and dribble fill into the remainder. And that allows you to have a very sharp cutoff and a very tight standard deviation in each of your fills. Challenges with net weight filling is the same with all filling, is control of the vessel to be filled, whether it's a jug or a bottle or a box. Keeping it in a consistent position time after time, preventing any jams or misfeeds, making sure that everything is in position when the fill starts. These are challenges for any kind of filling, including net weight filling. One of the things that we focus on in the design of the machines. With our net weight fillers, we have a very specific gating system to take control of the bottles and maintain control of the bottles throughout the process. We have neck locators to make sure that the opening of the bottle is always under the nozzle and that the nozzle does not make contact with the inside of the bottle, which of course would throw off the weight of the scale. Net weight filling is quite simply the most accurate way of filling, especially liquids, but also dry products. You can use volumetric filling, but if your bulk density changes or your specific gravity changes, then that is going to be off. You can use volumetric filling or time volumetric filling, but then if your flow changes or your head pressure changes, that filling is going to be off. You can use pressure overflow filling, and that's fine, but if your product is foamy or your product cannot be handled a lot or cannot be pumped a lot, then the recirculation of that product is going to degrade your product. You can use piston filling, but sometimes piston filling is, it can be very accurate once it's dialed in, but then you get into difficulties when it comes to cleaning and sanitation and making sure that all parts and components, wetted parts and components, are cleaned.